Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I already cleansed my face in the shower, when you just finish bathing and your skin feels fresh and clean. That's literally my feelings, my favorite feeling. So now I'm just going to go straight into the rest of my skincare routine, and honestly, while I do this, I just want to talk to you guys like we are on a late night call or sitting together in a same room. So right now I'm applying my niacinamide serum. I really love this one because it helps control oil, calms breakout, and smooths my skin texture. And the best part is you don't have to spend so much money to get a good one. I used to think I needed like 5 different serums at the same time. My poor skin was so confused and stressed. Then I just keep things simple, and honestly, my skin prefers it that way. And you know what's funny? Sometimes we don't even realize how much pressure we put on ourselves because of social media. You see someone with perfect skin, perfect lighting, perfect everything, and you start comparing. There were days I would stand in front of the mirror and just stare at my skin, wishing it looks different. I even avoided taking pictures, sometimes because I didn't feel confident. But I've learned to be kinder to my skin. Your skin is human. It changes, it reacts, it has good days and bad days. Some days my skin looks calm and smooth, other days it just wakes up and chose chaos. And I'm like, okay, what did I do now? So if you're struggling with your skin right now, please don't be too hard on yourself. You're still beautiful, with or without perfect skin. And healing takes time. Honestly, this routine has become like a quiet moment where I just breathe, slow down, and check in with myself. It's not just skincare anymore, it's therapy at this point. Next is my hyaluronic acid serum. This one is all about hydration. It helps your skin hold moisture so your face looks fresh, soft, and healthy. I used to think oily skin didn't need hydration. Like, I thought, why put more water on something that's already shiny? But then I learned that when your skin is dehydrated, it actually produces more oil to components, and that's how breakout sneaks in. So giving your skin hydration is actually super important no matter your skin type. And honestly, applying this serum feels kind of soothing too. I just pat it into my skin slowly and take a moment to breathe. It's funny how a tiny 30 seconds ritual can calm your mind as much as your skin. Now I'm applying my moisturizer. This step basically seals everything in and keeps your skin soft and balanced. If you have oily skin, I know you might be scared of moisturizers because I used to avoid it too. I thought it would make me more oily, but keeping moisturizers actually make my skin worse. When I finally started using a lightweight one consistently, my skin became calmer, smoother, and less angry. Honestly, skincare has taught me patience in a way I couldn't expect because results don't happen overnight, and sometimes that can be frustrating. But taking these few minutes every day to care for my skin has become like a peaceful moment for me. So, if you're watching this and you feel like you can't afford expensive skincare, please don't feel discouraged. Affordable products can still give you beautiful results. What matters most is being consistent and choosing what actually suits your skin. Clear skin is a journey, not a race, and if you're on that journey too, just know you're not alone. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.